excited to welcome Raven and group management at this exciting event. So thank you, Raven.
Thank you, Megan. How are you doing? Good, good. I guess you've been here for a day or so. How's it been going? Helpful? All right, good. Well, the next couple of hours, and it is a couple of hours, but you're only gonna hear from me for about 30 minutes, as Megan said. We're gonna have fun, okay? When was the last time you had fun as an adult? Okay, I'm putting you in the corner and I'm making you think about what you do every single day and how we make that better as a collective. So this event is an opportunity for you to recharge, for you to engage in the shared experience, to get to know one another on another level. Leave your stuff in here. All you need really is your person. To figure it out, to build all 32 bikes. So if you are standing beside your bike, happy and proud of your finished product, are all 32 bikes built? All right, let's get to it. We've got 5 minutes. This has thought about quantity. Everybody was so worried about getting it done, right? We're all rushing and rushing and rushing to get it done, but we're not really thinking about the quality of what we're producing sometimes. Raise your hand if you would feel comfortable getting this bike as it is for your child right now. Yes, the one you have. Okay, there are about 20 of you guys. Not at all. We make a life by what we give. Today we got the opportunity to give to some really, really deserving students. Remember your why. Remember the reason you get up every single morning to do what you do. It's to see those kids come in and be impacted, right? Be rewarded for what they do and work hard for.
So Bart, like what's the condition of these bikes? How'd they do? Well, overall, we find it's very common that, you know, we don't have bike mechanics putting together bikes. There's a good reason why these folks are school administrators and stuff like that. I'm sure they're very good at what they do.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, pretty typical. If anybody's tried to ride off in the sunset before we got our hands on them, there might be some accidents.
Challenges. Yeah. Well, we appreciate you guys for coming out and not only providing the bikes, but also taking your time to really tune these up for the students. So we appreciate that.
No, this is great. And after you see the looks, as we've all seen today on the kids' faces, you know, that alone, you know, makes everything worthwhile.
Absolutely. So take a look at these bikes, guys. Come on.